Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on Shazam. You click on settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Shazam and you will enter. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.